Hey, my name's Kent. This is
Rob.
Rob, good to see you. And who are you with?
Arcan RV.
Nice. Where is that?
We have 6 locations in Alberta.
Okay.
2 in Edmonton, 1 in Red Deer, 1 in Carstairs, 1 in Calgary, 1 in Medicine Hat. We got you covered.
Got it. Excellent. Brand new stuff and used and all the whole service and everything?
All of it.
Done. Awesome. We had a couple questions on our YouTube channel.
Okay.
So we had a live stream and we were talking about units and going to the RV show. One guy said, hey, which unit here do you guys have that would be best for off-grid living for like 2-3 weeks at a time type of thing? What would you direct me to?
You're in luck. You're in luck.
Let's go.
We have the best unit. It's literally designed just for that. So it's called the Winnebago Flex.
Yep.
And I think it's just over here. Come on down. The whole trailer will run on the batteries.
Yeah.
So it's totally off grid.
Yep.
So this is it right here.
Excellent.
So we could take a peek inside. So
it's solar on board.
solar on board. So
What do you have on the roof?
I think this one's got 400 watts of solar.
Okay.
And then you can see it's got the off-road package, so you can get this in wherever you want. It's got the bigger, oversized tires.
What do you need to tow it?
This is actually pretty light. This one is, I want to give you the exact way. On there. It's a mid-size SUV to a half-ton tow this easily. These are 7 wide, so they're not a full 8 wide, so they're a little bit lighter as a result of that.
And going up and down, maybe a trail.
Totally.
Like now you're off-road for an hour or for a few kilometers? Okay, got it.
So something like Toyota Sequoia, any half-ton would tow it, no problem.
Good.
Chevy Yukon, that kind of thing. So yeah. So let's pop on it. So this air conditioner is going to run off your batteries. So this has an inverter. So all your plugs are going to be live off the inverter. You can be totally off-grid. You can be camping. They do some fun things like it'll be hard for you to see, but they have a water miser in the shower. So when you turn on the hot water, you actually just turn this little dial, and it's going to recycle that water until it gets hot. So instead of like wasting a bunch of hot water,
there goes a gallon.
It's you have that on there. So that's specifically for the off-grid, so that you're going to be using less water. This is a 12-volt fridge. Good. So you don't need any propane. You don't have to worry about that. This is not going to use any propane up, and with the solar panels on the roof, it's going to keep the batteries charged. It's going to run your fridge the whole time.
What kind of a fridge? GE?
GE, it's a 10 cubic foot fridge. So in the space that you would have had a 8 cubic foot in the past, or even a 6, you're getting 10.7 cubic feet. So it's a bigger fridge. Because the propane ones have a lot of space they use up in the back.
Do.
Yeah.
So with these ones, they're a lot deeper. So even though the front looks the same, it's a lot deeper.
And 12 volts,
12 volt.
Brilliant.
Yeah. So super unique to be able to run your air conditioner and everything off grid like that. Everything will run off your lithium with your solar. You're laughing. They do water saving technology like the water miser and So if you're looking for an off grid camp. The Winnebago Flex, this one has the bunk beds, but they have different versions, different floor plans, couples units. You just need the FLX package basically, and you're all set.
Excellent.
Talk to me about this minky bed mattress cover thingy.
I'm
not convinced I like that for cleaning and stuff.
Well, these ones zip off.
Oh,
so,
they do?
Yeah, you can just unzip it and
perfect.
I don't know if you can see it, but you can just unzip it, throw it in the laundry, and then you're done, and you're all set. So, and kids like them. They're nice and cozy for them.
As long as they can be cleaned. That's
Rob,
good.
thank you so much.
Absolutely.
This is good. Have you sold a couple of these already?
Oh yeah. So these came out late summer last year. And as soon as they got on the lot, I mean, the off-grid is huge right now.
Yes.
And these guys are, basically one of the first ones to have that package straight from the factory.
Yeah.
If we were to try to do all these retrofits at the dealer, it would just be
Too
very,
much.
Yeah, very
Too
difficult.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can we do this? Yes, we can, but
But
yeah, we
yeah,
got to change
exactly.
everything that's already
Yep.
in there to try to
Yeah.
make it more efficient. So.
and this is a convection, so that's
Yep.
where you cook.
Yeah, convection. You have your stove. Obviously, this will run off your gas. The convection you do have to be plugged in for. I'm not 100% sure if that'll run off the inverter. I have to double check that.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So you're laughing.
Appreciate it.
Cool. Thanks,
So if people want to come and buy this, they go to
ArcanRV.com. So ARRKANNRV.com. We have Winnebago at our Calgary and Carstairs locations.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
Appreciate it.
Good question.
So yeah, you could buy a Winnebago and you could go and park in those wild places, or you could just make your rig more boondock friendly.
Totally. So, what are the things that you would need to go off grid successfully for, like, let's say even a week or two?
Well, not in this weather.
Okay, well,
In sunny weather,
well,
solar.
We don't have full hookups.
No.
We're in this weather,
But
but it
it's-
can be done.
But solar and those lithium batteries and the charge controller and all that. Putting in a solar package, that will give you a ton of opportunities to park wherever you want.
Kent, solar is super expensive.
Sure.
So we've been working on a series called RV Life on a Shoestring Budget. So how can you do solar on a shoestring budget?
Well, I'll show you right there that we did solar for $300. All right.
It can be done.
There you go.
Oh yes. The other thing that you are gonna really want to have control of is your water.
Your fresh water.
So we recommend going to Blu Technology. It's
Yeah.
no dirty water filters, and we have a filter like that on our rig. We actually got water from a stream when we were up in the Yukon, you guys.
Yeah, we did.
I need this to just stay like that so that it's filling.
So the water's coming in, but there's no dirt. We got her pumping. It took a little bit of effort. Ken had to prime it. There's lots of air in the hose. But this is the setup that we're doing, and it is working. This is amazing.
So there you go. So we're good. We're getting water. We're catching it in that bowl, putting it through the drill pump, putting it through the filter, going into Bessie. I'll go and see how full we are right now.
I'm just sitting here picking berries.
Are you just sitting there picking berries?
Yeah.
All right.
For the Yukon, you guys. It
Yeah,
was
we did.
so crazy. So you can check that video out in the description below or up in the corner here.
We just wanted to stay a little longer, and it's like, well, we need water.
Yeah. And that's off-grid living. That's what you have to do. You have to be able to get water. Now, we have just the solo filter from Blu Technology, but you can actually get their off-grid system, which is actually 3 separate
Yep.
filters. It filters out sediment, it filters out bacteria, viruses, all this stuff so that you can have super fresh, clean water when you're out off-grid living.
Yeah.
So, if you want to do that, go ahead and click on the link below. Ken and I are affiliates with that company.
Yeah.
They have been so kind and gracious
Yes,
to
we
us
have.
and super helpful,
Oh.
giving us the swag and
I
everything.
needed to ask them a tech question when I was installing and redoing a redo, and I called and got my information within 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
It was great.
Super helpful customer service. So yeah, check out the link in the description below, and there's probably a coupon code in there. I don't know. I'm so bad at following up on all that stuff, but if there's a coupon code for you, I know there is. I'm just not exactly sure what
Click on
the
our
code
link,
is.
you'll be there.
Exactly. All right.
Yeah.
Other thing you might want to consider that we have not yet done, but we're considering it. I'm considering it more than Kent is
Yeah.
getting a composting toilet, because your black tank dump is one of the things that will limit how many days you can stay out and enjoying nature.
So there you go. Those are the top 3 that people conquer so that they can go out and
Yeah.
rough it.
I'll
What do
tell
they
you-
call boondocking?
Boondocking,
Wild camping?
wild camping, dry camping,
Off-grid living?
off-grid. There's one more, wild living. I can't remember what it's called. But what did you love about that Winnebago?
Oh my! The features, the 12-volt fridge was amazing because the space that we have for our fridge. If I put a 12-volt fridge of that size in there, I would have about 5 inches deeper of a fridge.
Let's do it.
That's cool.
I'm in.
And we have 12 volt all the time.
The thing I thought was cool is that it would recycle the water as
Yes.
it's warming up, so you don't have to waste all that water just trying to get your shower hot enough to have a quick shower.
Yeah, we like the features.
Yeah. if we had the money, maybe we would look at that Winnebago, but in the meantime, we are happy to be in Best.
Yeah.
We're happy to be camping where we are. And hey, we'll see you guys next time we make a video. So go out there and grab life by the tail. My name is Lisa.
My name is Kent. We are Living Light RV.
Take care, you guys. Bye.